Murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Farm Concern International Mobi Kimathi uria ukoretwo agitongoria kambini ino ya kuhinyiriria a Kenya gwitikira gucokerera irio ici cia kiunduire akiuga ni makoretwo mahunjetie ndeto ino njega kuri arimi thiini wa county 22 guothe bururi-ini.
The main aspect here is to ensure that we unlock the potential that at the consumer level and at the market level to catalyze increased production of sorghum, millet and cassava to be blended with maize. The opportunity is to make sure that at least right now, when we are very certain that there is very serious deficit of maize, is that it's not that there is no food, it's just that consumers have not recognized cassava, sorghum and millet as food.
Kimathi oho ni oriti a Kenya guthamia meciria mao hari o mutu wa mbembe akiuga ni maragwatanira na thirikari na niguo guthomithia Kenya bata wa mituta ya mianga, marigu, mwere hamwe na igi ya kiunduire.
So we want to create a new image around cassava, millet and cassava to ensure that consumers also see it as food by using policy, blending, private sector engagement as well as consumer education.
Munini wa murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini rwa kugacirithia magetha ministry-ini ya urimi Grace Chichir onake ni akindirite ndeto ino.
What has been kind of missing is maybe a policy or to ensure that we institute the changing of the Kenyan plate. What is a flour that is being sold in our shops, whether we can actually enforce the blending.
Oho ni tucerire thoko ya Kangemi kwionera mihiriga ngurani ya irio ici cia kiunduire ta muhia, mugembi ona mianga na iria ikoretwo igithanirio hamwe na mbembe na kuria ahuri biashara maugite ya Kenya matire makurirwo ni moguni maria maumanaga na irio ici.
Mbembe ni ciguragwo muno tondu icio ni cio andu aingi moe nicio tureretwo nacio ni tugihota guthia mutu wa kuruga ngima muthenya. Ni wega mangihota kuhimiza muno ni undu wa mirire ya ngima ya githii ni mwega muno. In fact ona mugembe naguo ni mwega muno kirio ngima no ni uria andu aingi matauwi.
Niguo gukinyaniria muoroto wa gutigirira ikumbi ria bururi ritinanyihanyihirwo, thirikari ni yanirire kuhura njeki urimi wa guitiriria mai na niguo gukuria irio nginya icigo iria ikoragwo itoretio muno ni umu.
Akenya ni maturite merigireire mbembe kana mutu wa mbembe ta irio ciao muthenya. No thirikari ni itacoketie ikinya ria gutukania mitu ngurani nigetha gutigirira ati ng'aragu iria ikoragwo kuo bururi-ini ni yathira. Handu-ini ha Kameme Wonjoria, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiku wa Kahiu.